Meaning of Edward the Confessor.
Edward the Confessor.
Edward the Confessor.
Edward the Confessor.
Edward the Confessor. Edward the Confessor was an English king who ruled from 1042 to 1066. He was known for his piety and is believed to have performed numerous miracles during his lifetime. After his death, he was venerated as a saint. Edward is also remembered for his patronage of the arts, particularly architecture. His reign saw the construction of Westminster Abbey, which remains one of the most iconic buildings in England today. Despite his reputation as a peaceful ruler, his death triggered the Norman conquest of England in 1066.